gonna try this fucking demon game again. I don't know. Oh! What do these symbols mean? I don't know. Alright, I've had a little bit more to drink, so... By all accounts, I should do better, right? Sure. Okay. We'll see. Had a break. Calm my nerves. I need some water. Okay. I've gotten a mask. I think I need to get, what is that? And a knife? A box cutter? I need to get these 3 things. Alright. I guess we'll continue. I have to find, 2 more things? I don't know. We'll see. Well, hopefully the drunker I am, the less scary this game is. I don't know. Did I press record? God, I hope I'm recording. Okay, shut up, we know. Ooh. Skip. I thought I skipped this. Okay. Skip. It's still midnight. I have to oh god, I also have to survive till 6 a.m. I haven't even lasted an hour. You guys... Oh, this is the gate. Just get me out. Out? No. Oh god! Oh, I thought I lost my candle. Okay. Gotta stay focused. I see that candle out there. We'll just walk. We'll walk. We're calm. It's not going anywhere. Gotta make sure we face the same direction. I think we're safe as long as we stay in the light. Alright, F. Pick it up. Alright. Didn't I see a blink? Yeah, alright. Gotta make sure we stay focused on the blink. Oh, can I light this? Oh god, I've already lost the blink after I just said stay focused on it. Where'd it go? No? Alright. There's that bridge. Oh, right there. It's right here. Oh, this is... Oh god, I didn't even transfer it. Oh, I'm so drunk. This is stupid. Alright, this is Rooster playing Wick again. Sorry, I totally forgot to introduce myself. Oh my god! Oh. See, this is why I don't do horror games. I can't. My heart just can't fucking handle this. Okay. Does anybody see another blink so that I can just... I don't like this game. Why did I choose to do a horror game? What the fuck is wrong with me? Alright. Blink? Anything wanna blink? Oh my god. Footsteps? No thank you. Nothing's blinking. Nothing's blinking. Oh my god, we're gonna fucking die. Nope. We gotta run. We have to run. Follow the trail. Follow the trail. Don't run out of breath, Ricky. Okay, there's a blink. There's a blink. Hopefully our candle will last. Oh no, there's rocks. Can we go up the rocks? Can we jump? I don't... Oh. That's the bridge. No. No. Don't you start that shit with me. No. Where's the candle? I don't like this game. No. I'm not gonna play this game anymore. Not gonna play anymore. Where the fuck did the candle go? My candle's gonna run out. I thought I saw a blink over here. No, we don't want to run because we're gonna get tired because Ricky is a lazy, out of shape teenager. Oh god, my candle's about to go out. What the fuck kind of candles are these anyway? Oh, there's a blink. Just wait. Oh, fuck. I see it. Oh! No. 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 Get away from me. Get away from me. I don't like your sounds. Children. Has it not even been a fucking hour yet? Can I not leave? This is... No, I would climb that fence. What kind of fucking teenager stays in a game like this when there are clearly demon spawn living in the forest? I don't even know where I'm going. I just follow the path forever? You guys... This is gonna shorten my lifespan. I can't handle this game. No. Does anybody see any other blink? Oh, there's a house. Oh, this is the house I saw before. Is there a candle in it? No. Fucking useless. Am I supposed to be searching for evidence of something? Because I don't want to. Oh god. Nope. Oh, that means Timmy is chasing me. Go away, Timmy. Okay. Timmy gave up really easily. Here we go. Pick it up. Pick it up. And continue on to the next candle. There wasn't anything there, right? Okay. Oh god, I don't like these sounds. There's a candle over there. I'm just gonna go from candle to candle. Is that not how you play this game? Because I think it's how you play this game. Where'd it go? Oh my god, I don't like this. Oh, I think these candles are just respawning. I think I'm going in the same area. Okay. We're learning a little bit about the game while also trying to maintain from shitting in my pants. Okay, if we can figure it out, we can make it, right? If you hear Timmy, you run. You see a blink, you go to it. There's a blink. So let's go. Oh. That's not the Timmy music, so I think we're okay. You can't breathe in my direction. Candle, don't you fucking... Oh, let's go towards that one. It's closer. Candle. Oh my god. No. No! Timmy! I'm right by a candle. Leave me alone. No. Just follow the path so I can make my way back. Okay. Fucking Timmy, what is your deal, you dickhole? Have I even made it an hour? What is this bullshit? No! Oh my god. Okay. There was a hand. Is this a bunny? That's what I was supposed to collect.
I'm coming, honey bunny.
It's one. Oh, that's only 1 hour. Ah.
Private property.
Archivesville.
Someone actually lives up there? What are they, like 1,000 years old? Here's $2 for a new padlock. Can I go now?
What the fuck did I just hear? What was that? Okay. Archives reveal old pioneer site within woods. Homestead burned down in 1924. Family listed as dead, but children's bodies never located. Field officer interviews. Local resident. News archive and photograph. So is that what I have to find? News archive? Oh, well, I made it 1 hour, so I guess that's something of progress. Alright. Just play a little bit longer. If I die next, you know. Oh, is that stay away from her? Okay. That's, I guess, who's going to be in this. Oh. Instead of Timmy. No. Don't you fucking do it, wind. Jog, 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 rest. Don't want to get too tired, Rusty. Ricky. What did I say this guy's name was? No, it doesn't fucking matter. No. No, don't you growl at me. Oh my god, how long does it take to light this? Alright, this is the bus. Candle? Anywhere? Candle? No. God, I'm wasting my candle. No. I hear footsteps. Not okay. Not okay. Here we go. Let's go down this path. I don't see any fucking blinking. Okay. Thank you. Oh god. Rock. Can I go over you? Shh. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Can I light this candle before you fucking kill me? Oh god, what is that? Oh my god. The fuck? How was I what? Alright. Okay, I think we did good. We made some progress. We got to the 1 hour mark. So, I need to go have a bath, a bubble bath or something. I don't know. This game stresses me out. Alright. Bye, guys.